This is the elevator at Filley Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln, East Campus. It's a Dover Impulse from 1986. The left door will go down first. So here we go. And here it is. Go down to LL. Watch the numbers. I think this is from the 1980s. Here are LL. All right, let's take a roll up. Let's go up to 3. Here we go. Nice, quiet motor. Elevators and Architecture has filmed here before. Here are 3. Takes forever to level. We'll go back down to 1. These are your fixtures, impulse fixtures. Here's your phone, ADA compliant. Fornicator is a Dover, capacity 4,000 pounds. This is connect to the Visitor Center and Dairy Store ice cream shop. This is connect to the Filley Hall building. Right here are 1. Alright, that's it.